Nohup is not writing log to output file. I am using the following command to run a Python script in the background. But it appears that Nohup is not writing anything to the log file. cmd.log is created but is always empty. In the Python script, I am using sys.stout.write instead of print to standard output. Am I doing anything wrong?
It looks like you need to flush stout periodically, for example sys.stout.flush. In my testing, Python doesn't automatically do this even with print until the program exits.
You can run Python with a U flag to avoid output buffering.
Using U with Nohup worked for me. Using U will force the stout streams to be unbuffered. It will not affect stin. Everything will be saved in nohup.out file. Like this. You can also save it into your directory. This way. Also, you can use Python unbuffered. If you set it to a non-empty string, it will work same as the U option. For using this, run below commands before running Python code. Or PS, I will suggest using tools like cron job to run things in the background and scheduled execution.
Or this URL. Customer